So in this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid using select. In most cases, you won't need to do it, but I'm going to show you a couple of different ways on how you can get around it. So we'll just create a subroutine called avoid select. What you might find with beginners, they will often select a cell first before they add a value to that cell. So you'll see in the code they might say range, let's say D5 dot select, and then active cell dot value equals 5. So what it's going to do is going to select D5, and then it's going to put in the value 5 there. And that works completely fine, but you don't need to do this. It's completely unnecessary in this case, and in most cases. So we'll just delete that 5, and we'll select back up here. So what we can do is simply write range D5 value equals 5. Easy. No need to select that cell at all. Another way to do it is cells. So if you read here, it says what the row index is and then the column index. So we're 5 along the row, so the cells 5, comma, and the D is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the 4th column. So 5, 4 value equals, let's just say 10. There you have it. Another way to do it, if D5 was a named range, so we could create a named range here, just say test range, and that will be cell D5. Range test range value equals 15. There you go. So now if that named range actually changes, we change it from D5 to F12. So whenever we run this sub again, it's going to put it in there. So we'll just delete all that, and there you have it. If the named range was multiple cells, let's just create that named range. So it's going to go from A1 to F12, so every single cell in here. We run our code again. Every single cell gets the value of 15. We can put a string in there instead of a number, so it can be hello. Easy. And there you have it, 3 different ways to avoid using select in your VBA code.